In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Jotform with Excel. Whether you're new to Jotform or a seasoned user, integrating with Excel can streamline your workflow and make data management a breeze. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply click on the login button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. Now that you're in, you'll see a list of your forms. Find the form you want to connect to Excel and select it. This will take you to the Forms Management page. Click on Edit Form to open the form builder where you can make any necessary adjustments or simply proceed with the integration. With your form open in the builder, look at the top of the page and click on Settings. This is where you can configure various options related to your form. Once you're in the settings, glance over to the left-hand side and click on Integrations. Jotform offers a range of integrations to choose from, but today our focus is on Excel. To find the Excel integration, use the search bar at the top of the integrations page. Type in Excel and press Enter. You should see a list of related integrations pop up. Look for Microsoft Excel in the results and click on it. This will open up the setup page for the Excel integration. Here, you'll be prompted to choose an action. This could involve deciding how you want your data to be sent to Excel, such as creating new rows or updating existing ones. Once you've chosen the action that suits your needs, click Next to continue. At this point, you'll need to authenticate your Microsoft account to enable the integration. Click on Authenticate and follow the prompts to sign in to your Microsoft account. Make sure you grant the necessary permissions for Jotform to access your Excel files. After authentication, Jotform will guide you through the rest of the setup process, which might include selecting the specific Excel file and worksheet you want to use. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Jotform with Excel. Now, every time a form submission is made, the data will automatically sync with your specified Excel file. This integration can significantly cut down on manual data entry and ensure your data is always up to date. Remember, if you ever need to adjust the integration settings or disconnect it altogether, you can always go back into the settings and integration sections of your form to make those changes. This simple guide has shown you how to seamlessly integrate Jotform with Excel, making it easier than ever to manage your data. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy form building.